last couple French pin tutorials were really, really popular, and I know a bunch of you went out and got some French pins, so I'm going to show you another cute style that you can do with your French pin today.
Gather all your hair and wrap it around the French pin with the prongs facing up, and then you're going to twist the pin so the prongs face down, and then back up, push the prongs into your head and out the bottom of the twist. That's going to help secure it tightly to your head so it doesn't come out.
There we go. It is super fast. It is super easy. It is really pretty, super secure. It's not going anywhere. I hope that gives you another fun style that you can try with your French pin. I really love the French pins because they are just so gentle in the hair, damage free, and you can see it really, really holds all the hair so well. I can just let it go and the hair comes right out because literally all that's holding it is the pin. No extra bobby pins, no hairspray, no nothing. The pin, if you put it in right, will hold all of your hair in place, whether you have thick hair or thin hair. I did want to show you that they do come in smaller sizes. This is your more standard pin. This is smaller. So if you find that this is just too much pin for you and you have too little hair, then you can get these smaller sized pins to work with, and they do actually come in a jumbo pin as well. If you have crazy thick hair but you like my videos anyways, you can get a bigger one, but this is the sort of normal sized pin, and it's the size that I typically use in most of my videos. I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching today, guys. Thank you for always being here, and I hope that you find these tutorials helpful. If there is anything you need from me, tutorial, product-wise, anything you would like me to discuss here on my channel, let me know in the comments below, or just say hi because I love to hear from you guys. Like and subscribe because it really helps me out, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Bye, guys.